waiting for sauce to do whatever the hell sauce is doing, and trying to get it to work with my CFFA and failing, and getting really tired of sauce. Really, really tired of sauce. So it is. It's loading drivers. It's got this crazy driver model, and it's entirely floppy based. You must boot from the floppy. There's no other option. So I decided to start over. I initialized a blank floppy with all zeros, and booted to the system monitor. And there is a system monitor. You can dump memory locations, but you can't disassemble code,
Right.
Which really sucks badly. However,
That must have been the other Steve's idea.
there are monitor commands to read and write the floppy disk. So I'm like, well, I have the makings of a computer here, so let's do that. So I built, not that disk, that is horrible. I built this, which boots that fast.
Rather quickly.
I will show it again, that fast. I'm calling it Monster. And the monitor has a built-in U command to hook up a user program. So the user program just disassembles things. So now you can disassemble your ROM and see what's in your ROM or whatever. And I have started this morning on the assembler, so you can do and this tells us that the addressing mode is B, immediate. Which I invented all these addressing modes. But it doesn't actually assemble the instruction yet. And just so that you know that I really wrote this stuff, I will show you the code briefly. This was my original startup. This reads from the floppy disk, a block, a ProDOS block from the floppy in a loop. And because I was hand assembling this from an opcode table, it has lots of space for expansion, and I used a lot of jump rather than figuring out branch targets. The bulk of the disassembly code is up here, and then there's tables. You know, that's all of the addressing modes, you know, strings for the mnemonics, etc. It lives on track 0, it's 8 blocks long, and it boots in under a second, and that's my HackFest.